Imagine waking up one day, catching a glimpse of yourself in the mirror, and thinking, hold on, something looks different. Your face looks more defined, your skin has a natural shine, your energy feels steady, and those constant cravings? Gone. And all of that happened simply because you decided to quit added sugar for 30 days. Sounds dramatic? It's not. Your body reacts quicker than you expect, and the results are surprising. Today, let's walk through what really happens when you take a full month off sugar. No extreme dieting, no cutting carbs, just removing the added stuff. And the changes are huge. Week 1. The adjustment phase. The first 3 to 7 days are the toughest. You might feel tired, irritated, or constantly thinking about something sweet. That's because sugar stimulates your brain's reward system, and suddenly cutting it off feels like pulling the plug on a habit your body was used to. But stay strong. By the end of week 1, things begin to shift. Your blood sugar becomes more steady, your mood evens out, and those loud cravings start to quiet down. Your body is slowly breaking free from the dependency. Week 2. Energy rises and bloating drops. Around day 10 to 14, most people notice a positive jump. Your energy becomes steady throughout the day, with fewer crashes and less fatigue. Your stomach looks flatter, your face less swollen. Why? Because cutting sugar reduces inflammation and encourages your body to use stored fat for fuel instead of relying on quick sugar boosts. You start to feel lighter and clearer. Week 3. Skin glow and visible fat loss. By the 3rd week, around day 21, the changes hit another level. Your skin begins to look brighter and more even, breakouts reduce, and your natural glow returns. Sugar breaks down collagen, so removing it gives your skin a chance to recover. This is also the stage where fat loss becomes noticeable. Your midsection tightens, your jawline appears sharper, and your favorite clothes start fitting better. Your body is finally repairing itself from the inside out. Week 4. The total reset. When day 30 arrives, you feel like a different person. Your energy is balanced, your focus is sharper, your sleep quality improves, and digestion becomes smoother. Cravings feel distant, almost like they never existed. But the best part? Your taste buds reset. Fruit tastes sweeter, healthy meals feel satisfying, and sugary snacks taste overly sweet and artificial. You're no longer driven by sugar, you're finally in control. If you want better energy, clearer skin, noticeable fat loss, and a sharper mind, try 30 days without added sugar. Your body will reward you in ways you didn't expect, and you may never want to go back.